You're still uptight. I knew you wouldn't be flexible enough for this dance.
What now, Chris? Chris, get it together. The competition is in less than 2 weeks.
I know.
If we turn up and perform at the level we are now, we'll be laughed at. It might not be important for you, but it sure as hell is for me. So let's do it again, but do it right.
Chris, how was rehearsal?
Fine.
You'll get there. Listen, the holidays are coming up and some friends are throwing a party to celebrate. You should come.
I don't feel like celebrating.
Be after the competition. Perhaps there'll be something to celebrate then.
Unlikely. Can we just go?
Yeah. Yeah, we can.
Why are you rehearsing? You know you need my help. You're not good enough without me.
I just wish you could rehearse with me.
You know I can't dance anymore. She's good. She's not as good as me.
Obviously, it's weird dancing with another person.
It's not my fault. Don't blame me.
I'm not saying it is. It's just I want to dance with you.
I can't.
Why?
Because I'm not here.
Chris, you went into the wrong section. You're actually getting worse. Did you even practice? I am squeezing these extra rehearsals in before Saturday so we can win the competition. Dance schools are just about the most competitive thing you can apply for. So if I win this, I might actually have a chance. I don't understand why you aren't even trying.
Maybe this isn't for me.
What?
You're right. I'm awful. It's ridiculous. I'm done with this.
What are you doing?
I quit.
You can't.
Watch me.
But I need a partner and there's no time to rehearse with someone new.
Too bad.
Chris? What's wrong?
It's none of your business.
Chris, it's me. You can tell me anything.
Laura, just leave it.
Chris, stop it. Look at me.
I quit.
What?
I quit, okay? I'm done.
What? Look, Chris, I know it's not the same without Maria. It's really hard. I miss her too. But you have to do it for her. You two are always so close. I felt a bit left out at times. You always had a rehearsal to go to. But I loved watching you. I felt like I was part of it. I mean, you know I can't dance. But watching you both up there, it made me feel like I could. And I'd like to think that she'd be watching with me. No one can force you, Chris. Just do what you think is right.
Which of us started dancing first?
You. I remember seeing your first show and wanting to join in.
The whole class loved you. Way more boys joined because of you. You inspired them.
Scarlett's not as good as you.
You're not really giving her a chance. It takes two, Chris. You have to open up to her.
But you keep telling me not to.
Chris, I told you. I'm not here.
What do you mean there's something wrong with the lights? Well, then get it fixed, because I've just told you about the lights and I told... Hold on a minute.
Scarlet Grey.
Where's your partner?
He'll be here.
Hey, I need your keys.
My keys?
Yeah, for the car.
You can't drive.
No, I think I left my dance gear in it.
Alright.
I can't drive.
Scarlet Grey?
Yeah?
If he's not here in the next 10 minutes, you're not going to be able to go on.
He'll be here. Hi.
Hi. I'm sorry.
It's okay. I heard about your sister. I'm sorry. I'm sorry too.
Thanks.
How do you feel?
Nervous, I guess.
Don't be. We'll be fine.
How do you know?
I do. Just trust me.
Next up are Chris Harding and Scarlet Grey.